Hey you guys, it's lunchtime at the Davis house and I'm coming to you so I can share one of my recipes that I absolutely love. It's a cucumber tuna salad of sorts, okay? And so you just need a couple of ingredients. I'm all about that simple life. So I've got a cucumber here that I'm going to cut in half. I only use about half of it, maybe a third of it. And I'm gonna slice it into about 1/4 inch slices. And then I'm going to cut it into fourths. If you have already had lunch today, drop a 1 in the comments. If you haven't yet, tell me what you plan on having. So I just take this cucumber, cut it into fourths, and then I'm just gonna leave it on my cutting board for a second. And then a can of tuna fish. We like the kind that is in light water, just this star-kissed. And then about 2 tablespoons of mayo. Go ahead and mix it up.
And that's all.
And we've got our tuna, just like this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my cucumbers. I might have done a little bit too much. So I'll probably do about a third of cucumber. Save that for tomorrow's lunch. Mix it. And then, let me grab a bag. I like to put in some pickles. Hello, Lorena. As you guys are hopping on, say good afternoon. It is lunchtime. Okay, so got my cucumber, my tuna, my mayo. And then I just reach in here and I really like having pickles in it. And obviously pickles and cucumbers are the same thing, but this just gives it a little extra kick to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut up one of these pickle spheres into little bite-sized pieces. Sprinkle that inside my mixture. And then the final touch is a little bit of shredded cheese. Now, this is low carb, pretty healthy, what I am having for lunch. So check it out. Hello, Michelle and Tara. Okay, if this looks good to you, I want you to drop that little emoji that has like the drooling face. That's like my favorite whenever something looks really good. If there's something in here that you wouldn't eat, then just swap it out for something else. I know for me, I wasn't like a huge tuna lover, but this is really good. Okay, so just eat it with your fork. Make sure you get a little bit of everything, just like this. So good. Now, to go with this, I love my pink drink, okay? It is a daily dose of vitamins, plus you're gonna have collagen, which is gonna help you sleep better at night, help with your joints, and make your hair, skin, and nails very beautiful. So, I put in a scoop of Super Reds. Now, this is about 8 ounces of cold water, so it's gonna be really, really sweet. Normally, I'll do 12 to 16 ounces, okay? So I put in 1 scoop of that, and that's the drinkable vitamins. And then I put in 1 packet of this Collagen Works Tropical Crush flavored. And these two together, I don't know what it is, absolutely delicious. So I just go ahead and put that in, mix it up. It's this beautiful dark red, rich color. And then the extra little goodness to add to this is a splash of vanilla creamer. This just takes the edge off of the sweetness and makes it into like this creamy, delicious pink drink. So I add in a little bit of that and lunch is served. Just like that. So if you guys are interested, this is actually on sale right now. Sorry, there's a big chunk in there. I'm gonna have to mix it up as I drink it. But this is on sale right now. You can get a 30-day supply for more than 50% off of both the Super Reds and the Collagen. And so you can have a pink drink every single day for less than like $3. And then we also have still some distributor discounts. And so if you're interested in basically doing what I do every day, sharing information about the different products that I'm using, how it makes me feel, go ahead and drop, what's a good word? Drop make money in the comments, okay? Because I am on the lookout to help people make cash for Christmas by just using and sharing these different health and wellness products that I'm using. So if you're interested, drop make money below. If you want my pink drink, drop pink drink. And I want to know how you guys like your cucumber tuna salad. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.